Hey guys, Connor Jugler here at Dillon. Here next to me I have a 2020 Cadillac XT6. This one is going to be the premium luxury with the platinum package. Comes with the 20-inch wheels, passive entry, heads-up display, forward collision, and this one is actually going to park itself. We now lead the class in the mid SUV segment with rear leg room. This one here is set up with a bench that goes in front of the third row. You can also get that in cabin seats. This one here is also going to have the hands-free lift gate. You see the Cadillac emblem there illuminated on the ground. So you'll just go ahead and kick, or that it shows up on the ground, and that should open up for you. Both back rows here are going to be programmed by the remotes here. So those will drop down and lift back up. So to close it, you can either kick there, use the key fob, or simply push the button there. We have plenty of these to choose from, guys, and plenty more coming in. So be sure to check out sitdillon.com for all of our great inventory.